Good morning everyone. I Sonia Grover again here to learn with you. Today we will learn about drop down and if else. When I am selecting any option from my drop down, the image of that should come. This is my today's app. I am just running it. I am here. When I am clicking on this grapes, the image of grape is coming. When I am clicking on this apple, the image of apple is coming here. How to do this? We will use a drop down and if else. For this I am just creating a new project and going in App Lab. This is mobile simulator, this is toolbox, this is workspace. I am going in design section and changing the background color. Otherwise you can choose a particular theme also, right? And in theme you can also choose a background color, right? Next, now I want a drop down here. For this you will just drag and drop down and one image is here. Click on this drop down, choose any fruit, right? I am writing in first option apple and banana, or you can use grapes, it's your choice. I am using grapes, right? Now if you want to increase the size, you can also increase from here. Now come to this image portion. Options will come here. Look at this. When I'm clicking on this, options are coming here. Apple, grapes here. Now come to this image. ID is image 1. I'm increasing the height and width here. Like this. Okay. I'm just increasing height and width of image. Now come to this coding portion. On event is drop down here. Just drag and drop on event. ID, which is the ID? ID is drop down 1. Event is changing, because you are changing the option, then you will use change. In this you will get the text from this and will match with the option, then image should come. For this comparison you will use if else. Go in control section and drag and drop this if else. For comparison you will use double equal to sign and just dragging and dropping this double equal to. Then if you will get the text from this drop down, get text, ID of this drop down, click on this, check the ID is drop down 1 here. I am encoding ID is drop down 1 is equal to, check the option of this drop down here. Apple A is capital and grapes G is capital. In the same way you will write here. If apple is coming, you will write here APPLE, apple, and double quotes you will write apple. If apple is coming, you want image of apple, then you will use set image URL, set image, this one, like this. ID of this image, go in design section. ID of this image is image 1. You have to choose a image of apple and grapes. For this you will click on this image and choose section here, upload file, go in desktop, apple, open it, then upload file, grapes, right? Now close it. Come to coding portion. You will choose ID, this is image 1. You will choose image of apple, click on this choose option, click over here, apple image is coming here. Now in else portion, you will use this one, set image URL, id is image1, and choose image of grapes. Like now I'm running this app, choose and be free. Click on this. Sometimes it's take time for saving. I'm just refreshing it. Now running it, choosing the fruit, grapes, image of grapes is coming here, choosing the image of apple, image of apple is coming here. In the same way you can choose the image of orange, banana. For this you can use if else if. This is here in control section. If else if, you can try it in between this if else. This in between if else, you can just write if else here. In between this you can put the if else under this also. Like this. Under else you can put if else if. Under if you can also put. In the same way, means you try. This is your assignment, how to put if else if inside this if else, right? For another options, oranges and banana and other, right? Please do practice. If there is any doubt, I will take your assignment also. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care.